US dollar against the gold, we can see how the prices behaved this week. The week started for the gold. The gold has risen in value, making a bullish breakout above 3357.05 resistance level, or reaching the next resistance level 3392.89. We can see that. Then price slightly returned back down, but continued to rise in value, reaching 3435.49, a strong resistance level. If you have watched the daily analysis for the gold, you can see that I have mentioned that this area of resistance could retrace price back down. The price has retraced pretty strongly with a strong bearish engulfing candle indicating further decline in value. This is something that I also have mentioned in the weekly analysis. In the daily analysis during the week, the price has continued to lose its value, reaching this area of support. After that, we can see on a Friday the prices strongly moved down, making a bearish breakout below this area of support 3357.05, where we can see the price is currently targeting the 3314 as support level. Weekly time frame shows us a bearish pin bar. A bearish pin bar when the price has reached this area of resistance, which means targeting lower levels, where the next stop could be around 3275. Monthly time frame shows us currently it is also some kind of a bearish pin bar indecision candle, but we have one more week until this month close. It will be very important to see how the price behaves around this area where the price currently is. If we see the price reaching, just a minute, which is 3275. If the price reaches this area of support, it will be mandatory for the price to stay above for the monthly time frame in order to target higher price levels. If the price goes below 3275 as support level, it will be indication of the bearish momentum where the price could go or even further down. So for now, we will see how the next week closes for the monthly time frame, and the daily especially shows that we are targeting 3314. If the price goes below this area of support, this means that 3272.61 is the next target for the price. Will it happen? Well, let's go step by step. Let's see how the Monday opens to see will there be any gap and is the price continue to lose its value targeting the next support level. For now, on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price has reached this area of support, also this area of support, and currently it is in between this resistance and the support. How the price will behave around this area, we'll see on the Monday. Let's follow the market. If the price goes below 3325.28, it will target 3314.79, which is a daily support level. And remember, after that, if the price goes below that, 3272.61 is the next also the target. But before that, we can see there are several levels of support on the 4-hour time frame that the price needs to make a breakout below in order to move further down. But currently we are on the 4-hour time frame. We are currently in the downtrend, which means a strong selling pressure is still active on the market. But let's see how the price behaves on a Monday, because everything can happen. If the price opens with a gap over the weekend, can there be some kind of a news that turn the market around. But currently what I can see, the technical analysis is showing me that the price will continue to lose its value, reaching 3314.79 as support level. If the price goes immediately on a Monday, making a bullish breakout, which means the price returns back above this area of resistance, this will be an indication of the further rise in value of the strong bullish momentum targeting 3392.89. So it's very important to see how the market reacts, how the market closes the day. This will be also an indication where the price could go. If you would like to receive the updates, which means premium analysis, the link will be below in the description, where you receive the information when the breakout happens, what is the entry level, stop loss, take profit level. So feel free to check that below and join other traders. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.